Hello, welcome to another video on fractions. This might be the last session wherein we take a few word problems and some simplifications. Let me just write down the first word problem. A man, buys, or we can say, better we take up a man has, or a farmer has 192 animals, of which 7 by 16 are cattle. Of cattle, 2 by 3 are dairy cows. How many dairy cows has he? Let's see. A man has 192 animals. Out of this, 7 by 16 are cattle. So I'll write 7 by 16. I better write it here. Says 7 by 16 of 192 are cattle. So we solve in numbers. What is that number of cattle? That is 7 by 16 into 192. 192 I think is divisible by 4, so we cancel 192 by 4. That would give us 48, and cancel 16 by 4. That would give me a 4. Then again 48 is divisible by 4. That's 12. So 12 into 7 will give us 84. So he had 84 cattle. Now out of these 84, 2 by 3 are dairy cows. So I'll write 2 by 3 of 84 are dairy cows. So we find how many cows it had. He had, so it is 2 by 3 of 84. Now 84 is divisible by 3, so that's giving us 28, and 28 into 2 is 56. So he had 56 cows. That's one question. I can make some space for another one, and I will write the next question here. Let me choose a random color. Okay, this is fine. It says 1 by 4 liter of milk costs ₹4. How much would 6 whole 1 by 2 liters of milk cost? So herein we see we have to find the cost of 1 liter of milk. 1 by 4 liter of milk. So 1/4 of 1 liter costs ₹4. So 1 liter would be, cost of 1 liter would be 4 divided by 1 by 4. We learned how to do this, wherein we convert this and reciprocate. That gives us ₹16. So the cost of 1 liter of milk is ₹16. So what will be the cost of 6 whole 1 by 2 liters of milk? So the cost of, I write here, So the cost of 6 whole 1/2 liters of milk will be 16 multiplied to 6 whole 1/2, so it is 13/2. So if I cancel this, I'm getting 8 to 8, 13 into, now what is 13, 8 is 104. So the cost of 6 whole 1/2 liters would be rupees 104. Let's move on to one more question, one more word problem. Ankita reads. Ankita is reads 5/8 of a book and finds that 90 pages are still left. How many pages were there in the book? Let the total, see, you can do it in two ways. One is you take the total number of pages to be 1, or you can take the total number of pages to be x. I'm taking the first one as x. Take the total number of pages in the book be x. So let's write what it says. That means Ankita has read 5/8 of that book. So she has read 5/8 of x pages of the books. That means this is what she has read. So what is she left with? How many pages are still she left with to read? So she is left with total number of pages, that is x, minus the pages she had read, and that gives us 90. Now we need to solve this part to get 90, to get our value of the total number of pages. That means this is 1x. So if I find the LCM, it would be 8x. This is a simple fraction solution with x equals 90. 8x minus 5x is 3x, and if I cross multiply, it becomes 90 into 8. So x will be 90 multiplied to x by 3. This is giving me 30. There I can't write, so I'm writing it outside. Now 3 into 8 is 240. 3 8 is 24. So the book had 240 pages. You can do the same sum using the total number of pages to be 1. I'll write it on the other side. Herein we will write, or we'll assume, the total number of pages. Let the total number of pages in the book to be 1. If the total number of pages is 1, 5/8 Ankita has already read. So how many are left? Out of 1 she has read 5/8. So because 5/8 of 1 will remain as 5/8, and if you solve this, you'll be getting 8 minus 5 divided by 8, and that's giving me 3/8. So 3/8 of the book is still remaining, which is equivalent to 90 pages. So 3/8 of the book is equal to 90 pages. We had taken the total number of pages to be 1. So what will be the one fraction total pages? It will be 90 divided by 3/8, and that would get reciprocated, thereby giving me 8 by 3. I can cancel this will give me a 30, thereby getting an answer 240 as well. So the number of pages won't change, it will be 240. Here I showed you how to do with assuming the number of pages to be x, and in the second example we assumed it to be the total number of pages to be 1. In the next page we will take a few simplifications. Let me write down a few of them. The first one is when you have of, that will always be addressed first. Of, then you comes bracket, then it is division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. You might have heard, first we will take bracket of, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. We say BODMAS. So it is 4, oh sorry, I'll write it. It's 4 by 5 of 5 by 6. So first what's there inside the bracket, we will address it. Let me solve it using some other color again. This is half minus, let it be in the bracket, of will be written as 4 by 5 into 5 by 6 plus 1 by 4. It's 1 by 2 minus, if I solve this, 5 and 5 gets cancelled. If I reduce this to lowest term, this becomes 2 by 3. There is no need for a bracket there, so I removed it. Now it stands at 1 by 2 minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 4. We can solve this together by finding the LCM of 2, 3, 4. Here I'll do, then I might just erase to make the space. If I do it using division method, I'm getting this. So thereby 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 2 is 12. So our LCM is now 12. Then it is 12 divided by 2, that's 6 into 1 is 6, minus 12 divided by 3 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, plus 12 divided by 4 is 3. So it is 6 minus 8 plus 3. We have to first do the addition. So here you have 6 and here you have a 3. So 6 plus 3 is 9, and let the minus 8 be as it is at this step. So it's 9 minus 8 is equal to 1 by 12. Let's take one more. I am erasing that rough work. Well, let me write the expression. Here you might come across this bar instead of a bracket. This is, oh sorry, I need to erase and write it neatly. Yeah, this is 3 by 19 of 7 by 9 plus, here again as first bracket, it is 3 by 4 divided by 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, and there is a bar here, and then we finish the first and the second bracket together. How do we solve this? First one is to do this part. So I'll write it is 3 by 19. Let of be as it is for the time being. Then you have second bracket with 7 by 9 plus, it is 3 by 4. Let the division be as it is. We have to solve this first. LCM of 2 and 3 will be 6. Now 6 divided by 2 is 3, 6 divided by 3 is 2. thereby finishing our second bracket. Let it be as 3 by 19 again at this step, because now we have to attend the one which is in the bracket. So in the bracket it is 3 by 4 divided by 3 minus 2, that is 1 by 6. So it is 3 by 19 of 7 by 9 plus. We know how to do this by reciprocating. I can cancel and reduce it to lowest term, dividing both of them by 2, thereby getting 3 by 19 of, in the bracket let 7 by 9 as it is, plus we are now getting it as, oh this was yeah, we are getting 9, I think 9 by 2, because 3 is 9, that is 9 by 2. I need some more space and move the board. Okay, herein I'm getting 3 by 19 of, now we need to solve the one which is in the bracket. I think the LCM will be 18. So 18 divided by 9 is 2, and then 2 multiplied to 7 will be 14. Similarly, 18 divided by 2 is 9. 9 multiplied to 9 is 81. I would need more space. So it is 3 by 19 of can now be converted into multiply. So 14 and 81 if you add will be giving you 95 upon 18. We can cancel, reduce as much as we can. It is 6. If you recall the table, it is 19, 5 is 95. So it becomes 5 by 6 as the answer. That is a long solution, but every time you get such a solution, keep attending as per the BODMAS. It will be easier for you. Now in the next session, we'll begin with understanding decimals. Thank you.